Hello, this video I will show you how to add graphics on in your app. Okay, for this follow these steps. Okay, then you can open an Android Studio file using this new project or new project, or you can open it in Android Studio Start menu. Then you can find a new project and you can create a new project. After create a new project, click app and you can hear rest directory, click it and click drawable directory. Okay, then click drawable, right click it. Okay, and you can find shop in Explorer. If you use Mac PC, you can find it another name. If you use Windows, you can find it show in Explorer. Then click it. After that, you can view it in Windows file menu. Windows file. Okay, folder preview. After that, click drawable folder and you can find our IC launcher background.xml file is in here. Okay, then you want to add an .png or and graphics for this. So go back and copy your image. You can copy or cut or drag and drop here. I'm copy it and I'm paste it here. Okay, then close this menu. Okay, now you can find your we add an image for this drawable folder using Windows file menu. Then you can find our image in there. For add this in your app, go to design bar and you can find command menu and you can find image view and drag and drop this to your app. Okay, then click project. You can find our image here, diamond image. Okay, then click OK. Okay, this video we add and successfully we add graphics in your app. You can change this size using this. You can change any of size and you can drag and drop you want anywhere. Okay, this video I show you how to add graphics in your app. Please subscribe our channel and share this video in your friends. Thanks.